Buongiorno, veg heads. Spring is on the menu, and delicate, fluffy new potatoes with a mustard green pesto. Pesto means pounded to a paste. She's a little old school when it comes to Italian. Mustard greens, avocado oil, roasted garlic, and almonds. Trust me, Mom, when you taste it, you're gonna love it. Roasting the almonds really brings out the nuttiness. Oh. Oh. Roasted garlic, creamy and sweet. Veg heads, you gotta smell that. You gotta smell that. Asiago. Mild and nutty. The cheese, not me. Maybe me a little bit. Mustard greens, avocado oil, roasted garlic, and almonds. There are two types of potatoes. There's floury, perfect for mashed potatoes, and waxy, just like these guys. Why am I peeling all these little potatoes? Because it's gonna taste better. That pesto is gonna stick to their warm flesh.
When you're feeling down and out, you know just what to do. Just sing along, break into song, sing oopie doopie doo. And if the air is silent and the song is overdue, don't think twice, take my advice, sing oopie doopie doo. Just sing along, break into song, sing oopie doopie doo.
Perfect pesto potato.
Just sing along, break into song, sing oopie doopie.